Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 3 sin t. Because if I put this one going here, we have 9 sin t square, number 9. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 cosine t dt. So this one I will put in here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have 9 sin t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of 9 cosine t square, we have 3 cosine t. And now we need to simplify 3 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 9 cosine t square. The integration of dt over cosine t square, we have tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And then you got about t equal to r sine of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. I put the wrong, put number 9 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.